So, really exciting video. This is Nicole Johnson, and I am making shepherd's pie. And I figured here's the finish before it goes in the oven, that I'd tell you a little bit about it. I am using 2 cans of sweet cream corn and 1 whole kernel, a bag of potatoes mashed, and vegan crumble for me, but you can use ground beef or whatever you use. And what I did, and I'll put pictures with the video, is I layered the corn cans, and then I put the meat, and then I mashed the potatoes and seasoned them and spread butter on them. I did it by the spoonful and then just flattened them because I like the little crevices where the butter can come down into the corn and the corn juice can bubble up into the shepherd's pie. So I'll put what I used and photos of each step. And I hope this inspires somebody to make their own shepherd's pie. Appreciate you. See you in the next video.